Told you I had something cool today. We're at Lamborghini Charlotte. Working on Ben Gigg's car today. Coating a wheel. We got a lot of cool stuff here. Can't wait to get one. Alright, let's get to work. Look at this thing, this color. Tits. Boys across the street, Sancho, Zero Fed. Gotta conduct today's video over here at Lamborghini Charlotte.